Hi, ladies and gentlemen, greetings to you all, and welcome back to Authentic Cryptos. Happy Sunday to you all. Is your boy right here? All right, so a quick one right here. MemeX token airdrop are currently giving out 2.5 worth of MemeX tokens free of charge to everybody that we're able to get this information as quick as possible, right? So we just have to position ourselves for this particular airdrop and see how it turns out to be at the end of the day. This is not farming, this is not mining, scalping, or anything. You just have to place in your address and wait for them to drop you your token, right? And the most interesting part right now is that it seems like they have already had a collaboration with Bybit and Binance Exchange. You guys can see the inclusions right here and what they have to say. So we just have to go ahead and position for this and see how it turns out to be at the end of the day. So if you guys take a look, you will see Authentic Cryptos. This is our WhatsApp channel. Like I always advise you guys, do well to make sure you are part of our WhatsApp community because that is where we drop every first-hand information for everybody before we post it here on our channel. Even the ones that we can't post on our channel, everything are being dropped there, right? So do well to join us and be part of those that will be receiving first-hand information as they hot on this space, okay? So quickly, let's go and do the needful for this MemeX airdrop. You guys can see what they have to say. Airdrop, big airdrop opportunity. They are giving away free MemeX airdrop, no payment required. Just have to download the wallet and claim 2 million worth of MemeX directly through your account. Okay. So firstly, I'm going to be leaving this particular link in the description section and comment section of this video. All you have to do is just to follow it up and perform this activity step by step guide. And if you're also in our community, you still get the links on all our social media channels, Telegram, Twitter, and so on and so forth. Okay, so let's do this. Scroll up a bit, then we tap on this particular link right here. Then you wait for them to bring you down to the interface where you are going to do the needful and place your address. So wait for it to load up. Okay guys, so the dashboard is here already and you people will see what they have to say. MemeX airdrop, MemeX token airdrop. So here you are asked to put your wallet address, which is your MemeX wallet address. Okay, so for you to get this address, you have to first of all download their app. So you have to scroll up to the last and see this place that they wrote download wallet. First of all, you have to follow them on their X account, which is TikTok. Then come down here and click on download wallets. It will take you to your Play Store and you download their wallet immediately. Okay, I've already downloaded the wallet, so I'm not going to be taking you guys through on that process again, but it's as simple as ABC. So you just have to tap on those particular button right here, then it will take you to your Play Store. You download the wallet, then you create your account. We all know how to do this. Copy your secret phrase and save it somewhere very securely. Okay, so you proceed to your dashboard. So let's quickly head straight to my wallet and get the address. So if I click on download wallet right here, it's still the same thing because it will still take me to my wallet because I've already downloaded it. Okay, so you guys can see the wallet right here, Omni SEP wallet. That is the wallet you should download on Play Store. So in your case, it will show install, but my own is showing open because I've already downloaded it. So I just have to open it straight up to get my MemeX address. So click on unlock. All right, so this is the address right here. This is the address that you need to copy and paste. So once you download your wallet, you save your secret phrase, you set your passcode and all, you will get your interface like this. Okay, so this is what you just have to do. Come to this session and tap on this button. This is your wallet right here, but here is a twist. You can create multiple wallets right here because, as we all know, this is a decentralized exchange. Like I've already done this particular exercise on my main account and I've already created a second account that I want to use as tutorial for you guys to know how this goes. So I'm not going to be making use of this wallet again. All I have to do is just to come to this three dotted line over here where I'll be accessing my second wallet. You guys can see main wallet account 2. So you can decide to add account 3, account 4, account 5, account 20, account 100. So the choice is yours, depends on how many accounts you want to get. So I'll just tap on account 2. Okay, and you guys will see that the address right here has changed. So I just have to tap on this copy button right here, tap on it, and you will see address copy to clipboard. So we just have to go back to the dashboard where we are going to be pasting it. Okay, all right, so we are back in our MemeX blank space dashboard. So all you have to do is just to tap on this place that I wrote wallet address and paste the address you copied from your OmniSep wallet. So I just have to tap enter right here. you guys see what they say, the wallet need to start with X. So if you check your wallet, you will see that it started with X. Okay, so once you paste it this way, scroll up to the last, and check this button right here. Okay, so check this button and you will see claim 2 million MemeX tokens. Make sure you are following them before you do this. I've already followed them, that's why I don't really bother to do that. So once you just follow them, download the app and set up your wallet, then paste it here, check the button and click on claim 2 million MemeX tokens. So you guys can see claim successfully, right? So claim successfully simply means that I've already claimed on this my second wallet again. So we are done with the first phase. Now we are waiting for them to drop it in our wallet in their own convenient time. So the next thing is for us to go back to our channel again. Let me do that quick. So we just have to come back to our channel again. So we are done with this particular first exercise, which is claiming 2 million MemeX tokens. So scroll up a bit, you will see the follow up right here. MemeX plus register, that is MemeX Bybit/Binges, right? Register on exchange to get a user ID number, receive free gas tokens, and earn an additional 500,000 MemeX, right? So this is the link and everything right here. So all you have to do now is, they say after clicking the link, simply register on one of our partner exchanges to get a UID, receive free gas tokens, and earn additional 500,000 tokens. So we have to click on this particular second link again. I'll still leave this link in the description section and also comment section of this video. So just have to follow up and do the right thing. Okay, so this is what they are requesting us to do here. We still have to repaste the wallet address right here and went to our exchange and get the user ID. So I've already copied the address. This is exactly what I copied now. So I have to go straight to my Binges and get my UID. So if you have both Bybit and Binges, I would advise you to run your two accounts as well, right? So I've did it on my Bybit. Let me head straight to my Binges and get my user ID. Then we come back here and continue. Alright, so I'm already in my Binges exchange. All I have to do is just to click at this upper space right here and get my user identity. I'll tap on it, then I'll copy my UID right here. So I'll go back and paste it. Alright, so we just have to head straight and paste it right here. So I'll first of all paste the UID that I copied from my Binges, then paste the address that I used to claim this token right here. So this is the address that I used. Okay, so and we are just good to go. Okay, they say the UID number will be verified upon new registration and the gas token will be sent within 24 hours after approval. So we don't really know, maybe probably this is for those that will be registering new with their own link right here. We don't just know, but we just have to position and do everything possible. If we see it well and fine, anyone will receive, we watch and see how it turns out to be. So once you are done inputting all your details right here, so you just have to click on this place that they wrote claim gas tokens. So I believe everybody are going to get it because we just have the button prompted for us. So I'll click on claim gas tokens and you will see your request has been registered. The delivery will be provided within 24 hours. So from now to 24 hours, we'll be expecting something in our wallet, right? So here is my take right here. The reason why they are requesting us here to put our the wallet address and also the user ID for us to receive MemeX gas token. It simply means say maybe the ones we'll be receiving in the wallet, they are going to cover the gas fee for us that we will use to send it to the exchange where they are going to listing it for us to trade. And the purpose of user ID right here is for them to send this additional 500,000 tokens that they promised to give right here. So this particular address user ID is for them to send the additional 500,000 token that they promised. Then the mini gas token will be sent for here, maybe probably for us to use it and send the one that we'll receive in our wallet to the exchange upon listing. So that is just my take right here, okay? And that is just how to go about all those things. So do well to position immediately after watching this video, okay? So that's just that. Thank you guys for watching. Take action immediately after watching. Until I come your way next time, keep winning, stay safe, and bye for now.